Hey everyone, hope you're doing great and welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar. In case if you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button guys, and also I'll be uploading every new video on every Tuesday and Friday. So in case if you don't want to miss that out, do hit the subscribe button guys. And also today's video is all about the festive makeup look because Diwali is coming very near. I just thought that I'll do a Diwali makeup look. So yes, for the Diwali, because like Diwali is a festival of lights, I thought like it will be apt if I go with a little bit of shimmer in my whole makeup look. So that's the reason I went with a shimmery lip gloss and also with a bit of shimmer on my eyes as well. So I hope you like this look, and if you actually recreate this look on this Diwali, trust me guys, it's gonna be stunning. So yes guys, so if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching the video. Firstly, I'm going to start my makeup by applying concealer on my eyelids guys. So this step makes sure that your discoloration is gone, and also the eyeshadow acts as an eye primer so that your eyeshadows will pop up more and will stay on for super long time. And now I'm applying this Laura Mercier stick eye color in the shade called Smoke. So you can actually use any black kajal that you have for this step. And now I'm blending this out with a blending brush. So guys, take your own good time for blending because blending is the key. And now, actually I'm mixing these two shades from Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm applying that on my crease with a fluffy blending brush. Guys, can you just see that good transformation over there? So blending is the key guys, so take your own good time for blending. Now I'm taking that shimmer shade from the same Huda Beauty palette and I'm placing that on the center of my lid with fingers. And yes guys, these eyeshadows work best with fingers, so I'm applying that with fingers. And yes, now for I'm taking that dark brown shade, I'm applying that on the inner and outer corners. Basically I'm creating a kind of halo eyeshadow look for this. So I'm applying that brown eyeshadow on the inner and outer corners to create that dimension over there. And now for my face, I'm applying this LA Girl Pro Green color corrector on my cheek area and blending that all out with a stippling brush. So prior to this, I already applied moisturizer guys. So for my chin area, I took the MAC concealer palette and I mixed orange color corrector with the concealer over there, and I'm applying that on my chin area. So again with the same stippling brush. And now for my foundation, I took my NARS Radiant Longwear foundation, which is my absolutely favorite foundation, and I dotted that all over my face and I'm blending that out with the damp beauty blender. And in case if you want to know how you should pick the right shade of foundation guys, then do check out the video. I have already done a video on how to pick the right shade of foundation. I'll be giving that link on the top, so check that out. So for the concealer, I took my NARS Radiant Longwear concealer and I'm placing that on all the high points where I should highlight with the concealer. And I'm blending that out with a damp beauty sponge again. And for my cream contour, I'm taking the Benefit Cream Contour Stick and I'm applying that on all my areas where I have to contour. And I'm blending that out with the same damp beauty blender again. And for my powder contour, I'm taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer and I'm applying that with the brush that comes with it. So that brush is really so cute and it's like tiny, but it works amazing. So yes guys, applied that on all the areas where I applied my cream contour actually, and I'm also applying that on my nose but with a different brush. That brush is from Urban Decay. It's perfect for doing your nose contour. And now for my highlighter part, I'm taking this liquid illuminator from Iconic London. You can use any brand that you have guys. You don't need to be brand specific. You can use whatever products that you have that are similar to this and you can recreate this look. And I'm blending all this highlighter out with the damp beauty blender. And for my powder, I'm taking the Kryolan loose powder and I'm setting all the concealer in place so that my makeup will stay on for super long time. And I'm also applying a little bit of powder underneath the contour so that the contour will look a little more defined and sharp. And for the highlighter part, I'm taking my favorite Elixi Beauty highlighter and mixing those two shades. One shade is like a rose gold peachy color and the other is a gold color. And I'm applying that on all my high points, that is on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and everywhere where you have to apply a highlighter basically. And now I'm mixing those two shades from the Huda Beauty palette and I'm applying that on my lash line, guys. So that brush is from Morphe. I'll leave all the details in the description box below, the product details. And for my kajal, I'm taking this Urban Decay 24/7 kajal. It's actually a kind of orangey color, which actually goes well along with this eyeshadow look. And I'm applying that on my waterline. For my mascara, I took my MAC mascara and I'm coating my upper, top and bottom lashes with that. This is one of my favorite mascara, guys, because it has got like two different wands and it works brilliantly. And now I took the Stila Cosmetics Liquid Glitter eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold Retro and with an eyeliner brush, and I'm placing that on the area where I have applied the previous shimmer shade. And can you just see how quickly it transformed the whole look? Literally that pop of color over there, that pop of glitter over there. And now on my crease, I'm going back again to my crease. I took all the shades that I've previously used on my crease from the Huda Beauty palette, and yeah, I just smoothened my crease out. And for my lipstick, I took the Anastasia Rosewood lipstick. And for my blush, I took the Milani Cosmetics blusher, the baked blusher, which is my favorite again. And this is the star of the show, guys, the NARS lip vinyl in the shade Orgasm. So I just applied in the center of my lips and dabbed it everywhere, and oh my god, I'm freaking loving this lip gloss. So yes guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this look. In case if you do so, please don't forget to hit that like button, guys. And also, in case if you love this video and if you want to watch more other videos from my channel, so do hit that subscribe button so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And also do follow me on all my social media platforms, which I will be leaving down there in the description box below, so that you can get to know more about me, guys. So yes, and that's all for this video. We'll be seeing you soon with another video, guys. Till then, have a great day. Bye.